Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are WhatsApp notifications popping up on your home screen driving you crazy? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to disable those notifications, step by step, whether you're on Android. Stick around to the end to keep your phone clutter-free and your privacy intact. Let's dive in. To disable WhatsApp notifications from appearing on your home screen, you can manage the notification settings for your device. Here's how to do it on Android. Go to your phone settings. Navigate to Apps List or App Management. Find and tap WhatsApp. Tap Manage Notifications. Look for the option like Lock Screen Notifications. Disable it. And that's it. Now you know how to disable WhatsApp notifications on your home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.